I'm here at the Delray Hair Club today, and I'm ready to get my fresh cut and Xtrands Plus service done today.
All right, Tommy, so we're here at the Delray Beach Hair Club today, and we're gonna do your service. We're gonna be offering you brand new hair club technology. I heard that you were told a little bit about it from your stylist. What are you excited most about for the new technology you're gonna get today?
The hairline.
The hairline.
The hairline, that's the most important.
It's the most important part. To create any type of natural hairstyle, the hairline is gonna be the give or take of the whole deal, right?
Exactly.
Make it or break it.
Well, I tried different options. I tried the shaved head look, and I know they've Hair Club have come a long way over the years. So I wanted to give it another shot and see for myself. And it was the best move I ever made. Because sales is all about being confident and with yourself. The more confident you are, the more sales, the better you're gonna do in sales. Having the look I want. It's like the look I've wanted 20 years ago. I got it back, so I got my confidence back. I work out, I take care of my body, so you gotta take care of your hair too. It's all, in sales, you look good, you feel good, you're gonna sell more. So it's part of the package. I love it. That's the main thing is confidence. You know, style it anywhere I want, do whatever I want. Work out in it, go to the beach, the pool, ride my bike. It's, like you said, it's having your own hair. I mean, I don't even notice it's anything different, honestly. I feel like $1 million. I mean, honestly, like I said before, I don't even notice that it's not my hair. To me, it's my hair. Play sports, work out, everything. I love it.